Alright, BMW takes 93 gas. Welcome to another Matthumanpizza video. In this video, we're in a Toyota RAV4, and I'm going to show you how to put on your blinker. So, the engine is on, and on the left side of your steering wheel, you're going to push down. That's going to put your left blinker on. You'll see it right there, and you'll also see it in the back of your car right here. So it'll blink on and off, and this is in fact a Toyota RAV4. So that's your left blinker. That's how you turn that on. And to turn it off, you simply up like that. And the same can go for your right blinker. You move it up, and that puts your right blinker on. So with your right blinker on, you'll see that your right blinker is on and it is working properly. And I always draw a lot of attention outside, because everybody around here, well, not everybody, but a lot of people, they don't really have lives of their own. They have to bother me. But anyway, so that's how you turn your blinkers on and off. And down's for left. You move that switch lever, whatever, down to go left, to signal to the driver behind you or the front or the side or the person beside you, wherever, that you're going left, and pull up that you're going right. So have a great and wonderful day. He's sitting there, he's keeping tips on what I'm doing. That's exactly what he's doing. That one guy down there, he wants to know what's going on, so he calls that guy up. He comes out, and he's able to see, there's a car on the road. He's able to see what I'm doing, and he's keeping tips on me. So they're friends. I mean, that's what friends do, you know what I mean? But it's trick-or-treating. It's Halloween. So, handing out candy, playing PlayStation. See the PlayStation in my controller. The light is pretty cool, but you never really look at the light for the PlayStation. But, okay, he's driving off. But, so I want another person. Oh, there's another neighbor got in the car. They're going to drive by too, just to see what's going on, because I'm facing my back door to the front road, got my Halloween candy on, so they're going to figure out what's going on here. Oh, they drove the other way. Okay, they went the other way. The age of technology. I got this camera right here. They got their phones. This is my phone. So it's like the age of recording. Did you know there are lots and lots and lots of UFO sightings and all that, and ghosts and supernatural, and all that stuff still happens. But once the invention of the recorder of the camera, once that came apart, then you actually could record stuff and have evidence. Before it was just word of mouth, and people they just make stories up because they have short lives, and their brain is all about survival and reproduction. So when it comes to truth and lies, who cares? It's just like it's a mind game. Anyway, cameras. Once you're the ability to record reality and save it. Once you're able to do that, then conspiracy theories and ghosts and goblins and all that, witches, all that stuff, it kind of went like that. But not to say that there are ghosts or whatever, but you get the gist, you get the idea. But PlayStation 4, I love getting these cheap games. This is Far Cry 4. I'm gonna get Far Cry 5. I'm gonna see how much it is. Hopefully it's not that much. But I'm gonna try to get games that are less than $10 because wow. miles. I mean, they're years old, but they are